Imagine rating a voice assistant's performance like judging a chef's meal, by taste, presentation, and recipe adherence. Now scale that to billions of devices worldwide, where interactions span voice, text, and images. That's the challenge facing mobile AI assistants today. But here's the problem. Current evaluation methods are like using a ruler to measure a rainbow. They're inconsistent, biased, and way too slow. Experts manually review interactions, but with so many languages, cultures, and devices, it's like trying to clean a pool with a spoon. The cost? High. The results? Often unreliable. Enter a groundbreaking framework, automated, multimodal, and powered by AI. Think of it as a team of specialized experts working in harmony. First, interaction evaluation agents check if the AI gets the basics right. Does it answer the question, avoid errors, and follow the user's intent? Then, semantic verification agents act like fact-checkers, ensuring the AI's responses make sense across platforms and contexts. Finally, experience decision agents step in like human critics, judging how natural and satisfying the interaction feels. How does it work? The system uses a large language model, trained on massive data, to simulate human judgment. It processes everything from voice commands to photos, breaking down each interaction into clear, measurable parts. And here's the kicker. When tested on 8 major assistants, it matched human experts 93% of the time on technical accuracy, 85% on consistency, and 58% on subjective quality, like a seasoned reviewer with a stopwatch. This isn't just about speed, it's about scalability. Imagine a world where AI assistants are constantly refined, not by slow, expensive human reviews, but by smart, collaborative systems that adapt to new languages, cultures, and technologies. The implications: better user experiences, faster innovation, and a future where AI truly understands us, on our terms. Now let's dive deeper. The framework's core is a 3-tiered evaluation system. First, the semantic content quality scale, a 4-level report card for AI responses. Level 0, a total fail, like the AI didn't understand the question at all. Level 1, coherent but missing the main points. Level 2, perfect, clear, and accurate. Level 3, the gold standard, correct, complete, and super well written. This scale helps us see where AI shines and where it falls flat. Next, the semantic verification agent. Imagine 2 AI assistants answering the same question. This agent checks for consistency. If one says the sky is blue and the other says the sky is green, it flags the inconsistency. It's like a fact checker for AI, catching errors or gaps in logic. Then there's the experience decision agent, which focuses on user feelings. Does the response sound natural? Is it easy to understand? It compares 2 answers and tells you which one feels better to a human. It's like asking, which assistant would you rather chat with? How did they build this system? Researchers trained a model called QN3-8B, using thousands of real-world examples. But here's the trick. They didn't just feed it data, they taught it to balance 3 goals at once. Think of it as a multitasker, getting the facts right, staying consistent, and feeling human. They even designed a special formula, no math here, to help the model prioritize these goals. The results: after training, the model's answers aligned much closer with human experts, especially in tricky areas like consistency and user experience. But there's still work to do. Subjective stuff like tone or emotional warmth is still a challenge. Current AI can't quite replicate the nuance of human judgment. So what does this mean for you? This framework could help developers build smarter, more reliable assistants. Whether you're asking for directions, learning something new, or just chatting, better evaluation means better experiences. But here's the catch. While this framework is promising, it's not quite ready for prime time. Real-world interactions are chaotic, and the system still struggles with edge cases. However, the use of multi-agent collaboration, imagine multiple AI experts working together to assess grammar, tone, and context, could revolutionize how we test AI in areas from customer service bots to virtual health assistants. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, from smart homes to healthcare, getting these evaluations right is crucial. The good news: researchers are pushing boundaries, and the tools they're developing could make AI interactions smoother, more accurate, and way more human-like. So next time you ask your phone a question, remember, behind the scenes, a team of AI experts is working round the clock to make sure it gets the answer right. And that's the power of automated, multimodal evaluation. Ever wondered how your phone's AI assistant knows whether it's giving you a great answer or just meh? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's changing how we evaluate smart assistants. It's all about making sure these AI helpers are not just smart, but really good at what they do. The research introduces a framework that addresses a critical gap. Most systems handle voice, text, or images by converting them into text, missing real-time connections between inputs. Think about a conversation where someone speaks, gestures, and shows a photo. The AI needs to sync all those elements, not just treat them as separate snippets. That's where the problem lies. This framework is a big step toward automated systems that can evaluate AI assistants in real-world interactions. While it's not yet perfect, the multi-agent collaboration approach, where specialized AI experts assess different parts of a conversation, could transform testing in customer service, healthcare, and beyond. But there's still work to do. Subjective qualities like tone and emotional warmth remain challenging. However, the tools being developed today could shape a future where AI assistants really understand us. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this tech could shape the future of AI, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's one thing you wish your phone's assistant could do better? Let's chat.